let's talk about analytics. So for analytics, I think I showed you this before. If you want to look at the analytics of your channel, you go to youtube.com/analytics, enter that into the main browser, and it will load up your analytics. Show watch time, average view duration, number of views that you have in total. You can click on demographics, you can go on subscribers, your likes and dislikes, your comments, how many people have shared it, and useful stuff like that. So, you've also got Social Blade, is a great tool. I'll show you a little bit about Social Blade and what you can do with that. Socialblade.com, let's type in, say, PewDiePie. PewDiePie, 57 million subscribers, total amount of video views, 16 billion, 3,340 uploads. Let's click on that channel. So, you can see total grade A, subscriber rank, 4th now, okay. Video view rank 6, Social Blade rank 153rd. Estimated monthly earnings, anything between 29k and 464k. And that's in pounds. Estimated yearly earnings, anything between 348k to 5.6 million a year. Network, he's on the Maker Studios. There's a very well-known one. Daily subscriber count, you can see on Saturday, the 28th of last month, he increased the subscriber count by 13,000, 10,000 before that, 12,000. Increases video views by this amount on that one day alone. Estimated earnings from that day alone, anything between 1.2k and 18.8k. Depending on the type of content he viewed it. So, for example, here's a little tip with YouTube. If people viewed it in America, their view per dollar rate would be higher than if people watched it in, say, India. Because of, like, the currency difference. That's just the way it is. Okay, so it also depends on the people and what country they're from, they're viewing your video. There's also other demographics here. You can look at it via graph, which is pretty neat.